Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So I'm here with Infinity Magic Heroes back to say hi.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so today I decided I was going to do a new series called TV and Commercials. As you guys know, I already put one video out of the series, and I was just to see what the comments were like and how people liked it. And it seems like I got a positive response, so I'm going to be making this a new series. I especially love the series because I get to express who I really truly am, and it shows like my wild, fun, crazy side. So without further ado, here is TV and Commercials. I wish I had a hat. Snazzy! Sir! Do you like my hat?
Um, well,
Do you like my hat?
no! Hold on a minute.
Okay. I don't think anyone would notice if I just, took something. It worked! Prowling. Prowling, my prowling. Fine, I guess I will. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Let's test your knowledge and see what you've learned so far. What color are the unicorns?
Pink!
Where are they dancing?
Rainbows!
Please use one word to describe the texture of their magical fur. Smile!
Smiles!
Yeah.
Pink
Fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Hopefully I don't fall into this here lava. The
God.
pain. Oh, Harold, I love you so much. Shut up, my name's not Harold. Oh, the pain. Dear, why is the baby on fire? We have no baby. Oh, yeah, that's right, I'm single.
Jim sleeping so soundly.
Wake up, Timmy! What is a monster? Don't be scared, Timmy, or he'll eat you. Monsters will be looking for you. I got a safety torch. Put it on your board in the safety porch. Put it in the hallway. Safety torch. Scare the monsters away. Safety torch. That'll be a minute box. But my house is on fire. Shh. Tim, things are looking grim. But lucky for you, I have come with a solution. Safety water, put it in a bunker. Safety water, pour it on the fire. Safety water, maybe make the bubble burn. Safety water, first one's on the house.
I see what you did there. First one's on the house.
Yeah, just the person though, but it took quite a few. So those
What?
plus all the safety torches.
No.
That's like just call it like $500.
I don't have $500.
Oh, that's fine. I'll bill your parents.
No.
Thanks for your time. Go on back to sleep. Have a good night.
My parents are gonna kill me.
Oh, bird poop, I love you so strong. That's why I'm singing this song. Oh, bird poop. You are the reason I get up out of bed in the morning time. You're the reason that I poop, 'cause you're my special bird poop.